Guys, good morning! Good morning everyone! Kakauwi lang po natin galing sa trabaho guys. Ayan guys. Ay, nagluto pala ng pritong saging si Inday guys. Puntahan natin guys. Let's go! Ayan na guys. Nakasalang na pala yung saging guys. Niluluto na niya guys. At saka nilagyan niya ng asukal. Ayan, halo-halo niya guys para mapantay yung asukal guys sa saging. And guys, masarap din to siya guys pang merienda. Ayan na guys, luto na yung saging pinirito guys. Ang sarap guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys. Yan, luto ni Inday yan guys. Ayan guys, thank you for watching everyone. Bye bye. Please like, follow, and share para mapanood nyo ang susunod kong video. Thank you so much.